will start with the course content, how it will go, and then I will take you guys to the topic called internal architecture of UiPath. Okay, let's see. Uh, Basically, my agenda is I will start with very basic. The first class will be what is RPA, but as of now, I am just skipping that uh, thing. For demo purpose, I have just selected the internal architecture of UiPath. So at least you will have an idea of what you are going to learn, how the tools, how the tool internally it looks like, and where and all you have to perform your day-to-day activity. Okay, so let's see. I will start with here, this course content I have already shared with the institute. So same thing, I just wanted to clarify the things, how it will go. Okay, and what are the things you will achieve once you will complete this training. I will just start with introduction to RPA. So you will get an idea of what is RPA, how it works in market, and how it how it is useful to you. So that is the thing. Then I will go for UiPath introduction, where today I am just going to tell that, because UiPath introduction, UiPath internal architecture, and installation of UiPath. So basically, I will just explain you today till internal architecture. Then basic to start. Few things I will explain you at the starting of the class, like few classes of the starting session. So that will help you in throughout the course. Okay, everywhere, all the time you will be utilizing that knowledge what you will get in first 4 to 5 classes. Then loops and condition. Okay, so I don't know who has drawn this line and I cannot clear it. So like people will have that thing that they can draw on whiteboard or something, so I cannot clear this. So loops and condition, the actual topic like looping and all conditional activities. Then introduction to variable. Okay, like what is variable, types of variable, how to pass data with variable, what are the variable usability, all those things we will learn. Then working with word files, reading, writing to the word file, all those things we'll learn. PDF file, reading data from PDF file, manipulating PDF data, different tools we'll learn there. Working with web pages, any kind of web page, if you want to automate, how you will do that, that will learn. And then it's not only like you are going and performing some activity on a web page, but how to find a particular element address. Okay, how to make it stable, everything you have to do that. Then Windows automation and similar things we will learn for Windows automation as well. Then working with Excel files, working with any kind of application or any kind of file like closing application, killing processes, uh, copying file one place to another place, deleting, renaming, all those things we'll learn in this particular. Then working with email, like we'll work with POP, IMAP, and Outlook. The protocols we'll learn. With that, we'll see reading, sending, filtering, all those things we will. Database automation. Like here, I am not going to, I'm just very much clarifying the things. I'm not going to explain you about SQL or something, but how to connect with UiPath, UiPath and SQL connection. Okay. Establishment of connection, how to pass your queries to from UiPath to SQL database, and how to fetch data from SQL to UiPath. All those things I will explain. Debugging, how to explore your workflow, how to find out any bugs if it is there, then how to handle exceptions, recording and user events. So recording is and user events like your manual activities will be recorded and will be converted into UI. Arguments. Okay. Arguments is like uh, you have to pass data within different workflows. Like we have a system like you will create something, I will create something, some other will create something, and we will just combine it together and pass data between each other. So that arguments will help us. Data manipulation, image automation, RPA life cycle. Okay, and then the advanced topics of UiPath like robots, orchestrator, and RE frame. These three things will be. Then few additional topics I will give you small topics to explore, which will help you to learn other topics. Then one project I will explain you, which will help you, the format, the model of that project will help you to convert any of the process into RPI. Okay. Then daily basis assignments will be given to you. Okay, that you have to do and come to the next class. Best practices for UiPath, best practices to create resume. Sample resumes will be provided to you. And if you need any help on the resume creation, you can contact. Then few links to go more deeper in UiPath. Like there are few websites like you will not be aware. I will give you that website. There you can go and you can practice real-time live questions. Then there will be 3 mock tests. One on the completion of basic part, second on the completion of 75% of the course, and third on the completion of 100%. Post completion, apart from daily assignment, I will share you 35 assignments and 5 projects. Okay, so 5 projects will be, one will be on RE framework. That will be the smaller project. One will be the major project on RE framework, and 3 will be the model projects. So 5 projects, all will have video solutions. You can watch it and do it. You can do by your own. That is your way. Course completion, if in all this will be shared after course completion. If you are interested, then only you will do. So if you are doing that and you are facing any kind of issue to with that projects, you can just connect to me. You can just ping to me. Post completion interview assistance will be there from the institute side, as well as if I am getting some contacts or I am getting some leads which can help you, definitely I will be. All the course related documents like interview questions, PPTs, videos, test papers, everything will be shared with you in a Google Drive with the lifetime access. Okay, this is the course content. Any doubt, anybody here? I will give 5 minutes for the doubt. So any confusion here? This course will take uh, 30 to 40 days, working days. Okay, so it will go 1.5 months. Okay, for the completion. Classes will be like it will be topic wise. not the hourly wise. Like one topic a day, I will try to cover. Okay. If it is taking more than that, that is also fine. Less than that, that is also fine. Like one topic got completed in 30 minutes class, I will dismiss for the next topic. I don't want you to get mixed up or confused in the topics. My first agenda is to make you understand the topics very clearly. Topic assignment tomorrow, once you will join, first assignment and then again other topic. This will be the structure. Okay. So what you have then done, I will understand. What is your problem? I will understand. Okay. And where I need to improve and give you more things, that also I will understand. Got it, everybody? So you have 5 minutes for any questions, anybody? It is open for everyone. Anybody want to ask anything? Yes. No messages, guys. Please unmute yourself and ask the questions.
Okay, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, my name's Beza and I live in New York, and I have a question in regarding to uh the examination. Do you guys help with the examination? And since, like, the time is different, Indian and New York time, at what time the courses are conducted?
There will be a common time decided based on your comfortability as well,
Hello.
Reja. So yeah, see, the classes will be like it will be taken care that your comfortability also includes in that one. Okay, and the common timing will be decided. If not, the batch will be separated. Okay, for you or your uh, region people, we will conduct a separate batch. For others comfortability, we can uh, we can take a separate batch. There is no issue with the timing. So do not worry about that. That is one thing. And I have multiple batches. Okay. I do take from a morning 5 o'clock IST to uh, afternoon 2 o'clock IST. Then I have night shift. So evening also similar way I take. Okay. So I don't have any issue with the timing. That is one thing. Second thing, what you were asking about certification in a message. See, definitely the course will help you to get solve 70% of certification questions. For extra 30%, you have definitely you have to uh, a little you have to put little extra effort. Or if you want from me any help, definitely you can connect with me personally. I have certification dumps as well as I have done like older certification, and I have given the newer certification exam as well. So I can help you definitely on
Okay. Okay. You are flexible with time. What is the price of the course,
that.
and how does the
All
payment?
those things, the Kirti, the institute person will explain you. I will just guide you with the technical stuff.
Okay.
How about the different other than RPA Blue Prism? Like there are three, right? RPA Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, and also UiPath. How differ
Yes, yes.
among three?
I'm coming to that actually. So basically, once you will start UiPath, before that, very good question he has asked that what is the difference between other tools and this tool? Basic thing is for Blue Prism, especially, I will tell job opportunity. What I see on my personal view, job opportunity in market is like near to zero in Blue Prism compared to any
Okay.
other tool. Even though Power Automate, which came newly in the market, uh, Automation Anywhere A360, which has recently launched in cloud version, and UiPath. Compared to all these three, Blue Prism has very nil. Like if you will get 20 opportunities in RPA, there will be only one opportunity for Blue Prism. Okay.
Okay.
That is the major difference. That is the major difference which I have seen in the, you can say, the overall courses. Blue Prism or Power Automate or uh, Automation Anywhere or UiPath. The major advantage of UiPath is why, like, I can train you on any tool. It's not like that. Since I am familiar with UiPath. No, I am familiar with all the four tools. Okay, UiPath, Power Automate, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, and on this I am working also currently. Okay, so on two
Okay.
projects I am working. So on these two I am working. On this I am AD01 certified. And this one, the previous company, I have worked 1 year entirely on this one only continuously. So I don't have any lack of practical knowledge on any of this. So don't feel like, okay, I am saying about only about UiPath. See, Blue Prism, I don't see any. I never got a job opportunity on Blue Prism. So I personally feel there is no opportunity. UiPath, basically it doesn't check for background. Background means you are from a BA background, you are from a BCom background, you have 2 years gap, okay, you have 5 years gap, you are working 5 years in any other domain. It doesn't care. If you know UiPath in a proper way, they will consider you, no matters on which background you are, or how much backlogs, how much gap, nothing. So that I have seen from the, you can say, from the my previous experience.
And also coding language is required. Coding is required for this.
Ah,
Obviously,
one
little.
more point is here, coding language. See, coding language here you will utilize if a complex thing will come. Okay, but UiPath itself have n number of library, no need of coding. It completely work on no coding platform.
Okay.
Okay, it completely work on no coding platform. No issue in that one.
Okay. But
Okay,
sometimes like C#.NET they will use
no,
harder
not
version, right?
sometimes. Every time C# and .NET is being used, but in backend, you need not to worry about that. Like, I
Okay.
will show you.
As a UiPath, okay.
I will just show you one example so your things will get clear. If you will go here and create a process, see here, language what they will use in backend,
Yeah,
C#
C#.
and VBS script, correct? But if you will create here, I'm just creating in front of you one project, and you will see
Okay.
where we have used coding. So I have almost 10 years of experience doing this, going to different RPA circles and checking where and what they are using in backend. So I am a consultant, so I have to look into all the new tools in the market. Okay.
Okay.
And do POCs, show to the companies and ask them that whether you are interested. So it's a huge job doing to pursue with any course. Because companies, they will not get agree very easily.
Okay. And also, what companies are expecting from the UiPath? Like what we need to learn, entire
The,
what
the
exact.
the course content what I have told you, okay, that is enough to crack any job interview, any of the
Okay.
job interview.
Okay.
So that is one thing. Second thing, always try for bigger companies. Okay, their interview will be very easy. Like I'm just not taking a guarantee of that one. But what I have
Mhm.
faced, my experiences, Infosys, TCS,
Mhm.
Wipro, all these interview will be short and simple. Apart from
Mhm.
any starting companies. See here, I will
Yeah.
just drag and drop a message box, and I will display you a message saying what I want to write. In double quotes, I will write.
Hello world.
Okay, this hello world program, at least you need 2-3 lines of coding, but there nothing. I have just dragged and dropped. I will go and run. That's all.
And also certifications like advanced from online UiPath certified. That is also they will look for.
always they don't look for that. Always they don't look. Okay, whoever has raised a hand, they can ask questions, no issues. Venkatesh and Vijay has raised hand. So Venkatesh, yeah.
I agree. Yeah, Bhushan. I had a doubt related to the interview process. So whenever we were checking the Naukri, they were mentioned about the programming language as well. So is it mandatory to learn the programming language along with this?
I will give you
For
a
getting
real-time
any
example. Actually, I am from electronics background, and I am from 10 years in RPA, and I don't know any coding language.
okay.
Okay, so there is no need of coding.
Yeah, but the interview to get scheduled, they were asking for some kind of
Nothing is
okay.
required. You see, resume, if you will only put UiPath, definitely they will think, okay, apart from UiPath, what is there? But in UiPath only, if you will put details, like, this, that, too many things in UiPath itself, they will not ask you anything. They will just talk about those topics and they will go ahead.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yes, Vijay. Okay, anybody else is having any question? Naveen, yes.
I also learned RPA Blue Prism initially, much more openings for that. So that's why UiPath is also open source, I think, hopefully.
Yes, yes. So earlier, when you have learned this one?
2 years before, like that, I've learned for Blue Prism.
2 years
Now I'm
before. Okay.
yeah.
So I
Now
think
I'm
2 years before it was not free, right?
yeah, telling something.
I was asking, 2 years before, I think it was not free.
It was not?
Free source.
Yeah.
That you have to download the crack version and you have to
Yeah, crack version and get installing.
5 point
And
something.
less openings also for Blue Prism and only
Yes,
few
yes.
requirements.
Correct.
And that too, majority companies are expecting only through invoices, Excel automation, and through invoices only they're more preferable for
Invoice processing with the OCR tools, which is available not freely in market. Like one is there, no, that's very Flexi capture. So with that, so that is very actually Blue Prism. I don't like personally. This meeting will get over in 2.5 minutes. Okay. So who have not sent the Durgarao, are you there? Any doubt you can ask Durgarao.
And what could be the timings, like evening session at every day?
The timings, there is no issue. Whoever is comfortable in whatever timing, we will manage. Okay. Or we will try to first find out a common time. Okay. If not, we will split batch. Okay. Because I am teaching almost 10 to 12 batches. So any batch we can roll with based on your.
Yeah. I have a question. Is this course is enough for completing the certification as well?
70% of, as I explained to Beja, 70% things it will definitely cover. 30% you have to put little effort. Okay.
Okay, thank you.